lovely people. In today's video, we'll be making African baby food. This so-called African baby food is mostly enjoyed by adults. You can call it Cocoyam Pottage, Cocoyam Porridge, but we call it Mpotompoto or Mpilhuu. To try this quick recipe at home, all you need is your pepper, some garlic, onions, tomato, and fish. You can choose any kind of fish or meat you want. I'll be going for dried anchovies and some salmon. I'm about prepping my cocoyam, and for how I want it, I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Some go to the extent of cutting it into smaller pieces, boiling it, then grinding it. This recipe is as easy as it looks. So don't forget to try this at home, and trust me, you are going to enjoy this new recipe. I'll do all to show you every tiny detail so you don't miss out on any important recipe. So get your cooking materials ready and let's start cooking. If this is your first time coming across my page, this is the boss page. I'm into cooking videos, trying new recipes, traveling vlog, so please do well to check my other videos, and trust me, you will not regret coming across my page. And if you're a regular here, thank you so much for the support and your love shown to this page. It is you that is helping me grow this page. Thank you so much, guys. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like, share to promote my videos. Thank you so much. So after grinding your spices, that is your pepper, your onion, your garlic, your ginger, or whatever other local spice you have, you can decide to pour the spice directly into the cocoyam pudding, or you can decide to prepare it alongside. So I am going for the second option. I will be preparing my stew alongside my cocoyam. Then afterwards, I would pour it into my cocoyam pudding. However you choose to go about it does not change the taste of the cocoyam pudding, trust me. Either way, tastes as delicious as it's looking right now. We are almost at the end of our cooking session for today. So if you have watched this far, then it means you're enjoying the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. Do you think I could have done it in a different way to make it look more better, tastier? Go on. I'm open to try new recipes, so do tell me in the comment section. Don't get too close to the camera, you might salivate into my food. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time, and thanks for watching till the end.